Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to define retained earning account in SAP. To define a retained earning account, we use the code OB53. Here you need to provide your chart of accounts. So this is our chart of account and click on continue. In this screen we have two fields. One is to give the account statement symbol and then the account number. Okay, the account number or like GL account number for the retained earning account. On the top, if you can see, this is our chart of account and this is the transaction. It's called the balance carry forward. Okay, so why do we need return earning account? It's a fundamental of accounting, that whenever you do your closing for the year and when you do balance carry forward of the current year to your next fiscal year, then that balance should go and sit in your return earning account. So not for all the GL accounts, but only for the P&L GL accounts balance, like net balance of your P&L GL accounts. Okay. Say for example, you have income. So in P&L, like majority we have two kind of GL accounts. One is revenue GL account, other is expenses GL accounts. So you may have 50 revenue GL accounts. Okay, the total of all those 50 revenue GL accounts is say 1 lakh, and then you have expenses GL accounts, number of expenses GL accounts, but the total balance of all the expenses GL account is say 60,000. Okay, so how much is the balance left now? 1 lakh minus 60,000 is 40,000. So that 40,000, whether it is debit or credit, that will go and that will show in your return earning account only. Okay, that will not show in the respective GL account as opening balance, but in case of balance sheet GL account, okay, if there is any balance left for the current year in your balance sheet GL accounts, any kind of balance sheet GL account, it can be liability, asset, right? So that balance will be carried forward as opening balance for those GL accounts, but the balance of the P&L accounts, okay, that will not carry forward as opening balance for those P&L accounts. That will be carried forward, or the net balance of all the P&L accounts will be carried forward to your retained earning account. Okay, so this is just fundamental of accounts, and your return earning account is your balance sheet account nature. Okay, this is part of your balance sheet, not the part of your P&L accounts. So we need to enable the system, we need to make system understand that whenever we do the balance carry forward, okay, at the end of the year, then all the balance of P&L accounts, or the net balance of the P&L account, should be carried forward to this GL account, which we will define here. Okay, so this is the transaction code, or if you want to use SPRO path, so go to SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, go to master data, GL accounts, preparation, and here you can see define retained earning account. Okay, execute this and system will ask you to give your chart of accounts, because the setting which we are going to do here is at chart of account level. So we need to give one symbol, mostly we give as X as symbol, which won't be displayed anywhere. Okay, and then you need to give your GL account number, which you will be treating it as a retained earning account, and that would be shown in your balance sheet account, in your final balance sheets. Okay, so press enter. So as soon as you give the GL account number and the symbol of the P&L statement, and when you press enter, you can see a message on at the bottom. It says that this account has not created in chart of account VOLV, and that's correct, because till now we have not created any GL master in company code V001 or under chart of account VOLV. Okay, we have not created any GL master. So this is the fourth chapter. If you haven't watched the all those initial three chapter, please go and watch that so that you can understand the flow of configuration guide. Okay, but this is a warning message. This will not stop you here. You can again press enter and you can save the configuration. Okay, until unless you create this configuration, until unless you define the return earning account here, you will not be able to create jail master records. So this is one of the setting to enable system to create the jail master. Apart from, there are a couple more settings we need to do before we go and create the jail masters. Okay, so yeah, so we will see the other settings, other baseline configurations in the coming videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.